Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make slime. First, you're going to need a container or bowl to be mixing with. Next, I have 2 glue, but we're only going to be using one of them. Next, you're going to be needing shaving foam, and then I'm going to be using clear paint for the color, and then you're going to be using lotion. I Skin So Soft moisturizing lotion. It works. Let's just get our bowl now. Let's get one of our glues. Let's open the top because we don't want to use too much. Put some of these stuff off. Yeah, let's just pour it in. I'm not going to do that much slime. I am going to do a lot of slime. So, yeah. Ooh. Pouring the slime into the container. And then, that's done. Now, you don't want to mix it. You're not going to make it that big. We're going to use our shaving foam. Take the cap off. Shake it a little bit. Now spread it. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. It smells weird. Am I supposed to press it like this? No. Alright. I can say really good. Now, we are just going to mix it. Oh, wow. So now we are going to mix it. It's a lot of shaving foam until it's thick and done. Next, you want to add your lotion. It's going to give it a really nice, smelly, good texture. Oh, this is so good. You're just going to mix it. Hopefully, this is not going to be a failure mess because I think there's some people aren't always like my unusual about making these kind of songs. Now I'm gonna put the color. No, I'm not gonna put the color. I'm gonna put the eye contact solution, which I didn't open because these are just hot items. These were just bought, so yeah, I'm just gonna open it. Ugh, I have trouble opening things. A lot of things. Okay, here we go. Got it to open. Just gonna spray that around. Is it done? No, it's not done. Just keep mixing. It's getting hard to mix. It worked. It's very fluffy. It's fluffy slime. Yeah. Oh. No, it's not done yet because saving can be bad on my hands. Yeah. Let's keep mixing until it's good. We're going to add more eye contact solution if it's not working out yet. So I added more eye contact solution. It's getting harder to mix at the minute. It's almost done, I think. It is done, but I think I added too much shaving foam to make it like that. It's not sticky either, so yeah. I'm just gonna knead it with my hand. Yeah. It's not that sticky though, so yeah. Okay, let's start kneading this. Oh my gosh, it's so fluffy. I'm gonna add more eye contact solution. Start mixing. It's really, really, really fluffy at the moment. I don't know how, but it's fluffy. It's fluffy. It's like a lot of fluffiness. We're just gonna wash my hands now. So now I think I'm gonna set it on the carpet. I'm not on the carpet, on the table. This is really fluffy. I did get worked out as planned. It's not bad. It's not bad. So yeah. Here's our fluffy slime. Not bad at all, guys. So good job. Good job. It's not that bad. I'm gonna add my contact solution on it. So yeah. It's not that bad. It's just stretchy. It's a lot stretchy. It's not bad. So we did a good job. My cousin, she doesn't use eye contact solution. She uses Stuff Glow. Stuff Glow is pretty good too. But I like using eye contact solution to make my slimes. And there we have it. Your slime needs to turn out like this. It's very fluffy and it's no fear. It's not a fear. Very fluffy. It's fluffy. It's pokey. Poke it. There's a lot of things to do with this slime. It's not that kind of buttery slime things stuff. Feels like a lot like carpet, something. Now we're just gonna add the color. So what I like to do to add the color, I like to put my hand inside the paint and then start dabbing it. Start like putting it in the slime. And then I like to grab an end of the slime, start mixing. So now I can start selling slime at my school. Okay, guys, this might be a messy process because it's paint, so it's clear paint. It's actually clear nails too. The slime is really fluffy and it's not crunchy, but it's fluffy and I like it. So the way my slime turned out, I was really happy that it was fluffier than the slime I usually make. The slime I usually make is like tree glue stuff. Okay, the color is coming in. It's like a really light blue-ish color. So my slime came out good and it wasn't a fail. Like I said, I think my slimes are going to be a fail sometimes, but they're actually not when you start kneading it. I can't really say that. It's like a toothpaste blue. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is the fluffy slime I've ever made. It's the fluffiest slime I've ever made in my life because I never made fluffy slime. But I didn't have much shaving cream. I didn't have shaving cream. I had like no shaving cream at all, so yeah. It's actually the first fluffy slime I've ever made. And it's really stretchy and fluffy. Oh my gosh, it's so satisfying. It's dropping so small. Okay. This is my first fluffy slime. I figured you guys would thought I would say this is my first slime ever made, but no. Listen, I made a ton of slime before. That's why I'm saying it. Huh? Yeah. This came out, it wasn't a fail, so yeah. Bye guys. Hope you enjoyed my video. And next time I will be doing another video. So yeah. Bye.